Hello, my name is Laura. I built my first van and lived in that for 6 years with Snufkin and my 2 guinea pigs. But now in 2025 I bought an old motorhome to renovate. So why don't you join me on my journey here on Destination Unknown? now, guys. So it's like the 14th of November tomorrow, and I'm crossing with the ferry to Holland. I've just been working on this van for like the past month, 6 weeks with my brother. Like every time we get something done, we see something else needs doing. Like we've done the radiator randomly just because we were putting in a horn and we saw the radiator was complete mess and leaking. I've had my glow plugs done. I had 1 out of 4 working. We've got in the new boiler, a diesel heater, new pipes, the gas pipes to the gas, new pipes to the tap because they were leaking. Yeah, loads of stuff. I think my shower head is leaking, but like we have to look at that another time. Run out of time as always. So I'm now at Harwich, parked by the sea in the rain, getting the ferry in the morning. Yeah, got some stuff to sort out. It's always last minute stuff. I was literally working on the van until I left like an hour ago, and just had some dinner. And it's just like stuff everywhere, you know. I got to sort out and put stuff where it's supposed to be. We built a new shelf at the back as well, so that's good. I put my bike on, sorted out that, and the back compartment's all fixed with new locks, because yeah, the door got blown open and the locks were broken. Yeah, I don't know, we've done so much stuff. But yes, I'm heading back to Sweden to spend Christmas with my Swedish friends, because I've spent Christmas in England for the past like 4 or 5 years. Although it was hard leaving again today, my mum was a bit upset, and I try and put on a brave face for people, but yeah, I get it both ends, it's hard. When I left my friends in Sweden to come here, they were like really upset, and then the same happens here. But yeah, I'm gonna try and tidy up a little bit now, and think I'll have an early night, hopefully. Although I can hear the boats, like I'm parked on the harbour, sort of 5 minutes around the corner from the port, but like you can see loads of stuff happening and big ships. It's quite loud. Although if it rains, it's not too bad. You can hear that instead. Yeah. Be back to Sweden, and because my friends moved into a house, we have a housewarming party. That's what I was going back for. And then Christmas. Yeah. So try and keep vlogging and keep updated. Maybe a bit more. I forget like to be in front of the camera most of the time. I just film what I see. I don't know. But yeah. Talk to you later.